Hi friends, this video shows how to search and install free game on PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to games. Select games tab from top left corner. Then select PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Here on top, go to right side. Select browse. Select this browse tab. Then go down. Now on left side we can see sort and filter option. Select it. Then go to price. Select free. Then go back. See, now we are seeing all free games in the PlayStation Store. So from here we can select the free game which we want. Let me select one game. Then here we can see download button. Select download. So that way we can download and install this free game in PS5. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.